Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I thought we could have a little chat while I'm cooking dinner. I got this reduced statements. It should have been about £4.50. It was reduced to £2.68 and then it was reduced again to £1.96. So I thought, oh no, I'll make a curry. So I've been browning this mince and I've added some spices. I've added fresh garlic. You can use dries if you want, some ginger, a bit of curry powder and some cumin. So I've cooked it for a good few minutes to make sure all the spices are cooked thoroughly through. Got my dog eating the dinner here because she's just so nosy. And I've got some veggies from the fridge. I thought I had a bell pepper but I haven't. So I've chopped up 2 smallish potatoes, half a courgette, a couple of tiny onions, a couple of carrots. I'm going to throw them in. I get the wonky carrots from Aldi. They're always weird and funny shapes. Just wanted to show you these. They all look like a pair of legs. I don't know if you remember, if you're an old fart like me and you're in the UK. Do you remember Esther Ranson on the programme called That's Life, and every week she'd sew a funny vegetable? So as soon as I saw them, I thought, right, I've got to show everybody because it just reminded me of that. So let me know in the comments below if you remember That's Life too. So I'm just going to throw these veggies in. And a tin of chopped tomatoes because this is tomato based curry. And I'm going to throw some more water in. I'm going to fill up the tin with some more water and chuck that in as well. So while that's cooking, I've been cooking some rice. I buy rice from Aldi. You can get a kilogram bag for about 52p, I think it was. So I've been buying extra ones because I'm starting to do some prepping. So I just thought, right, I'll do that. So while this is cooking, just throw a little bit of cumin, extra cumin in. I wish I had smelly vision because this just smells lovely. So I'm just going to let that hubble bubble boil and trouble, as the witches would say in Macbeth, or maybe a bit of Tilly Pratchett as well. And then I'm going to put a lid on and let that bubble away. I'm going to turn it up to number 3, rinse my hand off, and we can have a little chat. So while that's going on, actually I might give it a bit more of a stir. Yeah, I wanted to talk about, I've had a few people recently saying to me they're really struggling. And if you're in the UK or the US, Canada, Australia, Europe, what I've suggested is in the UK you can sell things up to £1,000 whether you're on benefits or not, tax free, as it's your own stuff and it's not a business. So if you get some stuff, say, up on Vinted, so if you have a little declutter, get rid of clothes, put some stuff on Vinted, stuff on eBay. Locally, if you're getting rid of bits of furniture, I recommend Gumtree. What I used to do when the kids were sort of starting to grow up, I'd do bundles of toys, so people could come and collect a bundle of toys, or bundle of clothes, like baby clothes, kiddie clothes, to if they weren't stained and whatever, because they grow out of them so quick and you might as well recoup some of the money. So I thought, right, so people who do that to get a bit of money coming in. If you're struggling with debts or you're not able to pay your bills, I went to the local Citizens Advice. They're absolutely brilliant. I had a stack of letters by the door that I didn't open because I'm a cowardly custard and didn't want to open them. I didn't want to speak to them either. So Citizens Advice, talk to your people who you know your bills to, your debts to, and they work out a little payment plan for you. It's agreed with the companies and you sort of slowly pay off your debt. Some bills I got reduced. I got my council tax, which is a local tax, reduced, and I got my water bill reduced to £20 a month, and that was tied in for 3 years, and I just recently renewed that. They rang me up and said, has anything changed? I went, no. So again, it's still £20 a month, even though the prices are going up in April. So declutter, get rid of your stuff online and locally, and get yourself to an advisory place and see if you can get them to help you sort out your bills and your debts. And do a little bit of prepping every time you go shopping. Just get a tin of tomatoes, a bag of rice, some extra householdy stuff like a bottle of washing up liquid, and get yourself a little stash there, so if funds are tight, you've got a fallback position. So I hope that helps anybody who's having a bit of a struggle at the moment. I know things aren't easy as they are, and my biggest recommendation is always get rid of your car, or at least downsize it, so that way if you buy something second hand, you're not paying for your car anymore, your insurance will be cheaper, and it's just less money going out, isn't it? Because I'm not going to say subscriptions and all the rest of it, because I know you've heard it all before and it's a bit patronising, isn't it? So they're the main suggestions I recommend. Get rid of your stuff and go and seek some advice. So let me know what you think in the comments below, especially about the silly shaped carrots. I know I need to get out more, and please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.